Alright, so a couple years ago I made a video about Darby Falls, and it was at one point my most viewed video that wasn't a basketball video. But the problem is I hate the video, and I've always wanted to do it over, and there's like a new version of the song, so I'm going to try to get enough footage to do it over. It may not work. Yeah, editor Ricky here. Yeah, it worked. I have enough footage. I did the video. This is just a vlog. I did the video. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see. So we're at the meeting point. We were supposed to be there at 11 and it is 12, so we're like an hour late. Huh? Hey, I don't really want anything to eat.
Yo!
You seen a vlog from you?
No, not today.
No. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Alright then, bye.
Tell them my nature and do it now!
Before we continue, the trip to Darby Falls video, like the actual video, it's already uploaded when this is uploaded. It's just unlisted. So what I decided to do is that I decided to put it on Patreon for the Patreon subscribers, so they could see it for the next 2 days. Actually, no, not 2 days. That's, oh gosh, for 1 day. So I'll give you all a chance. Those of you who have me on Patreon, I'll give you a chance to see the video a day before anybody else. So check Patreon right now. Okay? Yes. Okay, good.
Tell them how we are doing now.
Friend.
Tell them how we are doing now.
Come on.
Hey, tell them a change is coming. Tell them a change is coming. Alright. I tell you about 3,000 computer man.
I don't really know why we're stopping here, but we're stopping here. But that's the prison over there. Wait, I put it. Where is the prison? Over there. Over there. Babylon system according to them, man. And politics everywhere.
This is the 18. I want video, I want photo.
A photo? What I want video?
I want a photo, you understand?
Milo, bring a camera and take photo.
Bring your phone, tell them bring your phone.
So we headed food next?
Huh?
Food next?
We said food next?
Yeah.
Chateau, yeah? You check your phone.
My wallet pissed me off this morning.
Well, how I piss you off? What I do?
I don't even want to hear you right now.
What did I do?
You were mean, and you were such an asshole. It was like, no one who's 30 minutes late has any opinion on anything in this bag.
We made a food stop. For some people to get food and rain start. Like a see rain? Yeah, you can see rain. Hi doggy. Hi doggy. That doesn't make any sense. I know. Trying to get it by the lights so I can see it better. Steps to uneven. So yeah, this is the top. This is the top of the waterfall. Right as far as I reach it.
What y'all doing?
Taking pictures, nothing.
So why y'all had to walk around in circles?
Press the process.
Okay, alright.
I never seen a shoot like this. Just show her and then she just pose and you just take picture.
You can see if you go close enough, I just say go close enough. I was taking pictures, I watch them. Oh, these steps so uneven. Oh. Take picture, yeah, take picture, yeah. Yeah.
Do it again. I've gotten too accustomed to this lens. It's not wide enough for me now. You have no idea how to act, do you? Yeah, because it's so weird when somebody just points a camera at you. Yeah. I know the feeling.
This is a great day for football and for the supporters of FC Barcelona. The president, Josep Maria Bartomeu, has resigned as Barcelona president.
You lie. Yo, I really like this building. I really like this building. If I would live here, in the middle of nowhere like this, yeah.
They can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Open you do stop on Friday off the key. Open you do.
I don't go hide another man. I'm more excited than another man.
You're screaming for my hand on.
We're not going to make you promises. We are not going to make you promises. We're going to be about it. I do not talk about it. All of you motherfuckers.
That's a lot of food. Oh, that's a lot of food. Oh my goodness. Hey, I don't really want anything to eat.
Go.
So that's that. It's done. I really hope I have enough footage. I do. I was thinking about making this 2 videos. I might have to make this 1 because I doubt I have enough footage. We know what's gonna happen. Yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at my stuff. I'm beautiful. You are. So yeah, let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. What I mean is the end of... You know what? I don't know what to expect. So whatever happens, happens. Okay, so 2 videos. Alright. 1 for those in Patreon. That will be dropping tomorrow. And the 1 currently. If something happens to me between today and tomorrow and I don't get to, share the video, those up here on Patreon, just take the link and give to people because they'll just be unlisted. Yeah? Okay, cool. I'm gonna go eat and not sleep because I can't sleep. I have insomnia. I should probably do something about that. But I mean, I do something about that, but yeah. You know what? Let's not worry about that right now. Yeah, okay, bye. Bye.